Hello guys, so this is TRC again. So have you ever heard of such a word? Yes, that word right on your phone screen. So market manipulation, have you ever heard of it? So if you haven't, or if you had it but you never took some time to know what exactly it is, so today I'm going to be diving into it, and I'll try to use a simpler means of so that everyone can understand it, right? So you can comment in this video below anything that you haven't understood, so that I will try to explain to you in a simpler way possible. So what's market manipulation, right? So today let's go straight into it. So have you ever placed a trade? You plan your trade, everything is okay, the analysis is okay, you place a trade, let us say a long, so price it goes into the reverse direction of what you predicted, and after hitting your stop loss, the market beautifully leaves and it goes into your determined direction. So if you have ever experienced such, so that's what we are going to be talking about today. I try to not make this video very long, but trust me, you'll get something through this video. So market manipulation, so let me use this example here. So this is gold. So let us say you placed a buy here. So you placed a buy here, and then you place your stop loss a little bit down below this swing low, right? Below this low. So price went into your direction. Yes, it went, everything seems to be very, very, very nice. So after a while, then price starts dropping. You say, let me just leave it, that's trading. So price went down. So after sweeping all the stop losses of the retail traders down here, then price starts to move upwards. It starts to move upwards, as you can see it. I'm trying to use this example so that I can explain it to you diagrammatically. So majorly market manipulation, it's done by those big institutions, the bank and the hedge funds, and large institutions that do use huge amounts of money, the billions and billions of dollars. So if price is going upwards, making higher highs and higher lows, it's sweeping out the highs and then disrespecting the lows, so that market structure, it is bullish, right? So after a while, then price tries to move downwards. It tries to move downwards. So before, when it's moving upwards, right, you can get a notebook or anything so that you can note everything that there are some people that are noting down everything that I'm talking right now. So when the price action is bullish, many retail traders, they will start looking for longs, right? They will enter the market with buys, right? And then they place their stop losses just below their entry. So price will move up, then after a while, just suddenly price will move downwards, right? So it will sweep out the early buyers out. So the buyers, they will be swept out. And also there are some that will enter short, seeing that price is moving downwards, right? So they will enter into short positions and then placing their stop loss just above their entry. So after a while, then price will move upwards after sweeping both sides, the buyers and also the sellers. Let me try to show it to you here. Let me try to explain to you here. So price will be moving, making higher highs, right? It will be moving, making highs and lows, right? Let me use this one. So price will be moving like this. No, this is not the one. Let me try to show it to you. Let me try to get something that I can use to get to you. Okay, let me use this. So price will be moving like this, right? It will be making high, it make an impulse, right? And it makes a collection right here. Then it also makes another high, right? Sorry for this, but this is not what I wanted. So it is sweeping out the highs, right? So this is a low, this is a high, this is a higher low, this is a higher high. So this high will be swept, right? So the market is bullish, making those higher highs, right? So many people, they will be entering for longs, right? Entering for long positions, and after a while, then price will reverse. It will reverse and then takes out this liquidity down here, those stop losses and whatever, those early buyers, they will be swept out. So when a trader sees the price is moving down, it's moving down, so he will also enter a long position, rather a short position, right? Enter a short position, seeing that price is making lower lows. So, and price, it will suddenly move upwards, and then strips out those early sellers. So both the sides, they will be swept out, the early buyers and even the early sellers, they will be swept out. And then the market makers, they will force the price, they will move the price in their determined direction. But at first, remember, they do push the price a little bit down. So those early buyers, they will be swept out. And when those who entered short, they'll also be taken out when price moves into the market makers' determined direction. So mostly that's what they call manipulation. And also even the NFPs and the CPI and the whatever, the news, most of the time they are also manipulated. Remember, those hedge funds and those big institutions, most of them, they do own large newspapers, news, whatever. So they will manipulate the market not only through price, right, but even also through the news on the social media and the what. So you will be manipulated and taken out. So most of the times when you see that there will be news, just sit aside and trade after the news they are done, right? Don't think that you are going to make money out of the market in a single trade. Be consistent, even if you are making a few dollars, but when they are consistent, when you're consistent making that little number of dollars, but when you compound them, it will be very, very, very enough for you, enough money for you, than risking a huge risk on a single trade, and of which the market even is manipulated, right? So make that little money, compounding it, rather than trading. Me, I don't actually trade news, right? I don't trade news because me, even if I'm a scalper, I do trade only gold, but I don't trade news. I have ever traded them, but things, they didn't go in my way, right? So hope this video, it has been helpful for you. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Comment on this video, subscribe, and don't forget to go in my description to join my Telegram channel. May the Lord bless you all. Have a lovely day to you.